Hello everyone. Today we are gonna discuss about price reference purchase. For that, you have to go to transactions menu, then price reference purchase, and then credit note. Now suppose supplier sold you the item less than the actual value of the item. Then we make use of credit note in price reference purchase. Now click on it. When you click on credit note, it will open purchase price difference credit note entry window where we will enter date first and then ledger from ledgers window. For example, we select Renbexi India Limited, press the enter key, then bill details window will open in front of you. If you remember the bill number of credit note, then enter that number here or press escape key. Then we press enter to select the item from item description window. For example, we select Amifro 40. Now mention the quantity in which we have to adjust the purchase price. Like we enter 10. Again, a window will appear at the bottom of the window where we have the old rate and new rate fields. In old rate field, we will enter the price at which the item is purchased or the amount in which supplier sold that particular item. And in the new rate field, you will enter the actual amount of item. Now enter the old rate, let's say 80, and new rate, let's say 100. Then we press enter key and it will show the price difference of ₹20 on the bill. So in this way, if the supplier sold the item less than the actual value, and to adjust that difference, we use the purchase price difference credit note entry. Now we save this bill by pressing N key. Now we again go back to transactions menu. And now here you can see the next option is debit note. It means if supplier sold you the item more than the actual value of the item, then we make use of debit note in price reference purchase. Now we click on debit note. When we click on to the debit note, then we will enter date on the window. Next, we will select ledger. For example, we select Renbexi. Then again press enter. A bill detail window will appear in front of you. Similarly, if you remember the bill number, then enter that number here. Otherwise, press escape key. Now select the item. Like we select Amlogard 10 mg. Then enter. Now enter the quantity like we enter 15. And again, a window will appear at the bottom of the window in which we have old rate and new rate fields. In old rate, let's say we take 60 and in new rate field we take 50. Now we press enter and software will show the difference in purchase rate column as you can see here. And now we save it. So in this way, we can create debit note when supplier sells the item more than actual value. So friends, in this tutorial you have seen how we can use price reference purchase option in Marg software. Thank you.